Hi, nice to be here with you. Let's jump right in. It is wise to remember that analysis of people's behavior, sad, angry, happy, upset, and so on, is a waste of positive energy in the moment because positive thoughts often take a turn for the negative. Give out positive energies and behaviors always. Nothing can harm you when your brain is wired to see the good in all situations. Don't pile on the situation thoughts, so to speak, one after the other time reactions. Don't do your best to be in the moment, present and serene. We already know how, from my former video. I don't recall the name of the video, but nonetheless, it is important to remember and mention how positivity often takes a turn towards the negativity. Next topic: gossip is addictive. No, this one last time I'll eavesdrop. No, 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 don't do that. No, this is the last time. No, no. For example, when someone in the family or another person is talking bad about someone and I overhear their conversation from afar, I take this opportunity to play pretend, and it may be inaccurate, but my brain is deserving of goodness always. Thus, it is permissible to expect, even if needed, make up positive quotes rather than endorsing hurtful people's words in my deserving heaven. Seeing as you attract what you think about. Thus, I do not think of past hurts because I don't enjoy them. Old brain weakness of reoccurring negative trail of thoughts is not my new brain's weakness. Do you have the self esteem to do so? Do you? Watch my YouTube videos for more clarity on becoming aware, free of negativity, and in the present. Because the present is a present. It is better now is often sufficient, rather than analyzing past mistakes. Freeing yourself of annoyance, which past mistakes entail, is entering into the Zen spirit. So that's it for now. I had fun with you. And I don't know if you hear the birds whispering out, not whispering, chirping outside. It's lovely. Okay, bye bye.